If you want to update your Xiaomi Watch 5, what you can do is you can check out notifications, because sometimes your smartwatch might send you a notification that there is a system update or that it was paused. So then of course you can tap on the notification and proceed. But if you want to make sure that there is an update waiting for you, even though you might not have a notification, then you can press the crown to open the list of apps, and then you want to scroll down over here in order to find settings. Now over here in settings, scroll pretty much all the way down in order to find system settings here, and then in system settings we have system updates, and here you should be able to check if you have an update waiting for you, and you can update your smartwatch. And there we go. You might also follow instructions. So over here we have to resume the update. Please place watch on a charger. So let's quickly do so. All right, so let's connect the charger. There we go. It started charging. We have the system update. We should be able to begin it in a second. There we go. And we have the progress. So now it is installing. We just need to wait until it is done. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.